Hello students, this is Shantanu sir, and in this class we have to know how to draw a bar graph. A bar graph can be drawn as a horizontal or vertical. Just try to understand using a problem. Here is the example number 14. Given in the table below are distance from Chennai to certain cities. Draw a bar graph to represent the data. Choose an appropriate scale. Thiruvananthapuram, Srinagar, Shimla, Ranchi, Puducherry, Panaji and New Delhi. Here the distance Chennai to Thiruvananthapuram is 600 km and Chennai to Srinagar 2400 km and so on. And we have to draw in bar graph. So just try to understand. So there are two lines, one vertical and one horizontal. These two lines are always perpendicular to each other. Now think that here is two, this is the vertical line shows distance and this horizontal line shows as a cities. So vertical line shows distance and horizontal line shows cities. Here is the distance 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So at first mark the cities on the horizontal axis and always choose an appropriate scale. Okay, so now this is the distance. So think that 1 unit is equal to 200 km. So 2 units mean 400 km. So this is 400 km, 4 units. So it is will be 800 km, 6 units. It is will be 1200 and so on. So first place is Thiruvananthapuram. Here is Thiruvananthapuram. So write here in first Thiruvananthapuram. Next Srinagar, next Shimla, next Ranchi, next Puducherry, Panaji and New Delhi. So distance Chennai to Thiruvananthapuram is 600 km. So here is 600. 600 means 3. So 3 is situated between 2 and 4. So here is 3. 3 into 200, that means 600. So this is the distance from Thiruvananthapuram to Chennai. Next Srinagar, and distance of Srinagar 2400. So that means 12. 12, 200, 2400. So that's try to draw the bar graph up to this. Next Shimla. Shimla is 2000. 2000 means 200 into 10. That's means 2000. So just try to draw this bar graph up to 10. Next Ranchi. Ranchi is 1300. That's means 6.5. 6.5 means 6.5 into 200. That's means 2000, 1300. And similarly so on. Now in the similar way just try to solve a question from exercise number 9.5. Here is the question. The given table gives the amount of money received in the month of December from the sale of various gadgets in an electronic shop. Choose a suitable scale for the amount received and prepare a bar graph for the information. Represent the gadgets on the horizontal axis and the amount on the vertical axis. So here is given name the gadget, laptop, amount 5,60,000, cell phone 2,50,000, projector 68,000, speaker 16,000, LED TV 3,60,000 and camera 24,000. So at first try to draw two perpendicular lines. One is vertical line and other one is horizontal line. Now we have to mark here Here is 5,60,000. Here is 2,50,000. And the list 16,000. So now take 1 unit mean 1, right here 1 unit equal to 20,000. Okay, now here is 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, here 5, here 6, here 7, here 8, here 9, here 10, next 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and so on. So first gadget is laptop. So right here laptop, and the price is 5,60,000. So 5 means 1 lakh, then 10 means 2 lakh, 15 means 3 lakh and so on. So it will be over. So there is no place. So just try to draw like this. This is a chart of laptop and in so on. Okay. Now next gadget is cell phone. So right here cell phone. Cell phone, and the cost of cell phone is 2,50,000. So this is 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 2,20,000, 2,40,000 and 2,50,000 in that place. So try to draw the figure from here to here. This is a cell phone bar. Next, projector, cost 68,000. So this is 20,000, 40,000, 60,000 and it HD. So think that here is 68,000. So here is 68,000 and this is the projector. Next, speaker. Okay, cost of speaker is 20,000, 16,000. So think that here is 16,000. So just try to draw like this. Next gadget is LED TV. 3,60,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, up to 80. So in that place. So write a bar, draw a bar from here to here. This is a LED TV. Next, camera. Now cost of camera 24. Think that here is 24 up to this. So try to draw bar like this. This is a camera. So in this position it's measure amount in rupees, and according to horizontal line this measure name of gadget. Name of the gadget. Now understood everyone? And in this way you have to draw the bar graph. If have you any problem, then call or WhatsApp me, feel freely. Okay, so try to solve exercise number 9.5 and this is your homework. Understood everyone? Okay, bye everyone.